Have you ever wanted to practice trading without risking real money? The good news, you can. I show you the 3 best professional paper trading platforms that traders around the world, including India, use to build real skills. Number 1 is TradingView. If you're just starting, this is probably the best place to begin. It offers beautiful charts, hundreds of technical indicators, and a built-in paper trading account where you can buy and sell using virtual money. You can practice placing market orders, stop losses, and take profits exactly like in a real trading environment. The best part, it works directly in your web browser, so there's nothing complicated to install. Number 2 is Interactive Brokers, also known as TWC or Trader Workstation. This is a platform used by many professional traders. Its paper trading account is almost identical to a live account, making it perfect for practicing before risking real money. You also get access to advanced tools like level 2 market data, option chains, market scanners, and more than 100 different order types. If your goal is to become a serious trader, this platform is an excellent choice. Number 3 is NinjaTrader. This platform is especially popular with futures traders and day traders. It includes a powerful trading simulator, advanced charts, market replay, and professional order flow tools. It's perfect if you want to practice fast-paced trading and improve your execution without risking your capital. So which platform should you choose? TradingView for beginners and chart analysis. Interactive brokers for professional trading across global markets. NinjaTrader for advanced day trading and futures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.